That's our only hope.
We got a beautiful view. We got some wind, about 19 mile per hour winds. But
Regular miles.
shut your damn mouth.
No kidding, güey. No kidding.
Cállate la boca.
We're like a mile out. Dude, that's the longest fucking mile I've ever driven.
Tú no eres nadie.
That was an hour ago, motherfucker.
Hey, bro.
When we were back in Reynosa, you said we were 10 miles out. Dude, that's like 40 miles out.
Don't cuss, bro.
Sorry, I forgot.
I got youth. Church.
Yeah. Is that Josh mile or the regular mile?
No, I think we're about 1,000 yards.
Here we go.
That's a mile jump.
Yeah.
1,600 yards.
Yeah.
The longest shot ever done by Chris Kyle. Yeah, we're almost there, boys. Warm up some water here. See if it'll start to. Setting up the tent. All right, so breakfast is ready. You set up the tent. Say hi, Jerson.
What's up, fellas? We're ready.
God bless you.
Josh made us some really good menudo, homemade. Cut up the meat and everything.
From scratch.
From scratch out here in the bush.
Bushcraft.
Do you guys even camp, bro?
All right. Who's our first pig?
That's our first pig out in the wild. Albert was our first in humanity. Bestiality with that pig. Break out the double decker. Where did we put? Oh, I have it inside.
Oh, the other table? Sácala so we can all line up.
Yeah.
Our voices are going away little by little from freaking yelling. He's calling you mango on the way. So Sonic.
Sonic boom! So, scuba diving gear over there. On the way over here, we couldn't see. We had 0% visibility. Fuck yeah. It seemed like the whole world was moving when the snow would move. Like we were going one direction, like fuck, like the truck doing this.
We had to go about what, 5 miles per hour, maybe 10
at one point.
But they just drifted and we had all those steep grades.
We had that Dodge come wild.
We had a Dodge, started a fishtail. We saw a Sasquatch, 1 or 2. A young Sasquatch baby.
5 years.
5 years.
We saw another Dodge driver throwing that roof up
What we're gonna be doing to Lee later.
Hey, just run on it. Yeehaw!
1, 2, 3. Push me, dildos.
Alright, you guys ready? Let's take a picture. Ready? 5. Fíjalo, para que agarre super speed el Sonic Boom.
A la verga.
Even far.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, so we're about 11 hours of not eating. Josh hooked us up with some menudo. It was really good. Right now it's my turn to do some
Fresh
cooking.
Discala he made.
Fresh discala. Everything's from scratch. I just put in the chorizo and all of that good stuff. Just moving it around a little bit. Oh man.
Smells so good.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. And then we got some flour tortillas. Because hell, out here, you're gonna burn up the calories quick. Look at that, our fucking fire's still going. Sorry for pissing. Our fire's still going. That water's boiling at least.
is gonna bring that in a little bit, make us some coffee just before we get ready to eat.
It is a blizzard outside. Let me show you guys. Look at that.
It is awesome out here.
It is just snowing. Oye, parece que es de la... So here's a tour of the campsite.
Famous, World War Agent Orange.
Freaking tent, so like Agent Orange
Let me
and
take
hay fever.
Let me take a quick view of the outside because you're gonna appreciate how cold it is outside. We're forming all kinds of snow on top of it, and of course you gotta be careful with all these strings out here. Look at that. There's Libabosa. Don't forget. God damn. There's the straps. The shed house is way the hell out there. Yeah, the damn strings. Gotta be careful. There's Josh Barbosa. Excellent, Smithers. I'll tell you what, as fucking, sorry, as much snow as there is, it's not that cold. Like, I want to say, what, you feel like 30 degrees?
I think about 25, 26.
I think so.
It's wind chill at least.
Yeah, the wind is what yeah, it's bearable. It's not, I'm just wearing a thermal right now. Oh my God, look at his nipples are so hard. Oh, cielos.
It's 24 degrees. And it's so cold. Alright, so it is 7:44 in the morning. Everyone is finally up from our little hot tent, which has no chimney. Making some breakfast here. Bacon, sausage, some chilies. The first batch here with some coffee, I might add. Use a little bit of egg beaters. And get this party started, boys. Let's get it started. We got Jerson here. He made some magnificent biscuits using a little oven. Now he's gonna squirt some butter.
More butter?
That's good right there, thank you. Some breakfast biscuits. Can't get any better than that. Some camp biscuits, a little done there, but that's perfect. That giving that nice little crunch. Right, Mr. Jerson?
Heck yeah.
You made a very good job doing these biscuits.
Bush.
Right in the bush, in the George W. Bush.
George W. Bush. That butter.
Man, look at that.
We got a quick start. So that we can unload before we go.
Hello.
All right, you guys ready?
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we got
Down time.
chow down time.
Come and get it.
Stupid. Rally. Right. It was a pleasant night for the most part, huh? What did you guys say? Why not leave?
It was freezing cold.
Why were you freezing?
I think my thoughts were wet. Fucking next thing I'm looking up like you're on hurt.
Oh, you're good. You're like that. It was got frostbite.
You look like the Exorcist. Bones all contorted.
Go ahead and cut that wood. Atta boy. Arch that back. Arch that back good. Teeth touch the toes. Come on now.
Sure, you can escape.
Dude, what the hell kind of boots are those? Freaking village people.
The gate construction worker.
Show them how it's done. Sasquatch.
Military Sasquatch.
Bullet.
That's foil. There you go. Yeah, that's the one I split.
Hey-o!
There you go, boys.
Smell that.
Uranus,
That's some fat wood.
if I've ever smelled it.
Throw the red ball. We're gonna try to get as close as we can to it. Right.
Oh shit, a man bear.
Dude, are we bushcraft?
All right.
So,
narrate us, Mr. Jerson.
all right, so like we said, getting in here was kind of tough, but the whole experience of it was awesome. I don't regret coming winter camping one bit. It was being one with nature, with the homies here. Had a great time, some great grub, and it's not over. We're about to go exploring the hills for a little bit, do some hiking, and then after that work up some. I'm gonna get hungry and get back to some.
Work out a sweat.
Work up a sweat and get some gay deer meat. Shot of it right here. There it is.
Poor dish.
Right here.
Just there's some good chicken right there.
Oh shit, there you go.
Go ahead. Where's that of it? Hold on.
Bad kissing. Bad kissing.
I would like balls up here.
They taste salty?
No,
Just
it
like
tastes
the
really
nut
good.
sacks?
Oh, that fucking spider right there next to you.
Eat it.
Yeah, it's right here. Eat that spider. Finish him off. Finish him off.
Just his egg sack.
There's all fucking stars and he's
It's nuts.
kiss this.
All right, now your turn. You kiss my tongue. Oh, this one's trickling, dude.
Where? Hold on. Good.
Man,
Bear pig. All right, you trickle cunt.
this is a
You gotta stab your
an ear. What do they call the one that
Earlobe?
Emus wear? Like a spike.
Suck on that.
Oh, sucked it good.
Oh. You stupid ass. Get him. We're gonna make some corn on the cob. We didn't bring the spices that we should have for this corn, so I guess what we'll use will be some butter and some tahini. Alright, so we packed everything up and we are ready for some cordage.
We're going to the lake.
I'm gonna go do a little bit of a clean area. Left very minimal footprint. Now we're gonna, except for the poop, for the bear poop, the scat. We're gonna go and eat a little bit of lunch before we go home. We got some steaks and some cordage deer. We found this roadkill, so we're gonna go and eat the hell out of that. Over and out. chile vampiro. Alright, so we got all this meat here. We got more meat than
We can handle.
we gonna have. Alright, so we got the food that's ready. This is the final product here. We got some deer tail. You got some pork and some steak, corn, bourbon mashed, ranch beans, and some tortilla. All right, you howler monkey. Do your strut. Do it again. Go like that. ¿Te gustaba esa gringa?
Hi, my name is Josh. I come from Last Cruise, where we pay less.
So all in all, we had a great time. The crew here camping. We are by what is it, Alamo Memorial? Chaparral. Morro Grande. We had a great time camping. And good time with the guys.
Hopefully we get to do it again in the summertime. Have a spring, summer, winter, fall. Shop down for whatever.
All right.
Down for the game day. Bring your
Good
boots.
Bring your boots in the sausage patch. See the difference in the landscape. Landscape is all
Some cows.
cows. We got cows. We got cows. What are those Longhorns? Texas Longhorns? Got lots of cows over here. Bone dry grass. It's a good time. All right, guys. Until next time. This has been Jerson, Lewis Lee, and yours truly, Josh. Bye.
Adios.